Do I have a surprise for you? We are going to make these double chocolate brownies that are going to they're addictive. That's all I can say. My son is so excited I'm making these. And to get a 16-year-old excited about anything is a real feat. So they must be good, right? Anyway, we're gonna start out with 18 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. And these are the Baker's chocolate pellets because they melt easier. And this chocolate's from Madagascar, but you could use any kind of chocolate. And then a pound, I know it seems like a lot, but this is a big tray of brownies. And it's a pound of butter. I use unsalted because when you add salt, you know how much salt is in there. So we're gonna put these together and we're going to heat it in the microwave for about 15-20 seconds at a time and see how it goes. Stir it in between so it doesn't burn. I mean, you could do it over a double boiler, but it just seems so complicated. So just be careful and watch it and don't burn your chocolate. And when it's about 3/4 of the way melted, you can stir it and it should melt all the way. Okay? So let's get started. This butter is so cold, I think I'm gonna hit it for 30 to 45 seconds the first time and see how it does. Okay, that was 1 minute and the butter just is softening. I'm gonna hit it for another minute. So that's 2 minutes, and I think if I stir it up, I'll be almost done. Beautiful, almost. There's a few little pieces of chocolate in there. I'm not gonna go more than 30 more seconds. Perfect. I mean, there's a couple little teeny tiny pieces of chocolate in there, but as it sits here, those are gonna melt too. You just don't wanna overdo it because you'll burn your chocolate. So to recap, 1 minute, I took it out. That was with really cold butter, stirred it. 1 more minute, and then 30 seconds. And each time I stirred in between so you wouldn't get those hot pockets where stuff could burn. Beautiful. Okay, time for the next step. So I ended up whisking this for a second because there were a couple of lumps in there. Now I'm gonna dump this into the melted chocolate and mix it together. Okay, so I put my chocolate in with the other mixture with the eggs and everything, and then I mixed up my chocolate chips with the remaining flour. I just took about, I don't know, 1/3 to 1/2 cup of the flour and mixed it in before I mixed it all together. Like I said, I'm gonna write all this down for you. I'll try to put it on the video if I can. Okay, so in a 12 by 18 pan, we put the batter in there and spread it with an offset spatula. That's gonna go into a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes.